You just hold that, and then you cut the top. Yep. Whoa, pokey. Okay. Got it?
Yep.
Whoa. Take a bite. How do you like it? Mmm. TJ loves it. Do you like yours? Yeah? That's good?
You got a big one.
Like this.
I think I do.
Yeah.
How come you like a little baby?
Yeah.
Or like a little bean?
Yeah.
Just like it. Big chungus. Oh! No, that
Big,
one's really
long
long. That
cucumbers.
one. That one.
You like that one? Okay.
Can I cut?
Here we go.
Ooh
Okay.
la la. Are you watering the roots? Are you trying to water the roots?
Oh, what do you got? You got special you? Oh, it looks like a smile. Put it on your face. And
Get it.
see, it's really crunchy, huh? You like it?
This one?
Yeah.
Doesn't taste like anything. Tastes like the ones over there.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, this one's perfect.
Perfect. Big and long, huh? I'll show you what's ready. What I mean by yellow. Right there, orange.
This?
When they are ready, they are like this to make liko.
And then you can make
Yeah.
some tonight. But
They're hanging everywhere.
don't give the pumpkins a spanky. Don't spank. How long did it take to grow?
It probably took just a couple weeks for that one. They're huge, huh? Hit your head, huh?
I'm gonna go see the fruit. To be big.
Yeah.
What color are they supposed to be?
They're supposed to turn red,
Oh, they is?
but like they're slowly turning color like that.
Can I have it?
I think the green one's still kind of sour, but the red one should be sweet. Okay, taste it. How was it? Sweet? Yeah.
Like this
Oh,
one.
yeah. Turn over here.
The
sweet?
aftertaste is so sour.
Sweet? Yeah.
Playing with tomatoes now? Get
Can we
that.
just keep the stems on?
Yeah.
So the yellow one?
Yeah, the yellow one can be pink.
Like
the
the-
little one that look like a squash there, when they are ripe, they are yellow.
Like this?
Being silly with your thing.